Hello, welcome back to Paper Sebastian. Today we are making the claw. To make the claw, you take this corner and you move it down here. And you crease it to make sure that the bottom is the same as the side of the triangle. Then take this corner and match it with the corner on the other side of the triangle so it looks like a house. Now you take this side of the paper and move it to here. And you take this side and move it to here. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. And I move it up so that it looks like this. Then I take this corner and I fold it like this so the triangle is folded in half but has some paper. And now you fold it like this. So then it looks like this, and it looks like you finished, but when you flip it, it is not finished. So here's what you do. You take this side and you tuck it into this hole, like that. And now, as you stick your finger in through this hole, you are wearing the claw. Here we have a claw. Be sure not to hurt people, and if you accidentally scratch them, rub it against their scratch and it will be healed.